Summary of the Assam Tribune, 3rd September, Thursday 2020. Number 1. PUBG Mobile. The government has banned 118 mobile apps with Chinese links. It includes PUBG Mobile as well. The popular PUBG mobile game has been run by a Chinese publisher named Tencent and has been banned in India. However, the PC version of it is not banned because it is operated by a Korean publisher, the PUBG Corp. Number 2. Sati Sadhani University. The State Assembly passed the Birangana Sati Sadhani Rajyik Vishwavidyalaya Bill 2020. The university will be set up at Golaghat. It is set up to commemorate the last queen of the Chutia dynasty, Sati Sadhani. Number 3. New Act to Protect Heritage. The Assam Heritage Tangible Protection, Preservation, Conservation and Maintenance Act 2020 has been passed by the Assam Legislative Assembly. This bill seeks to preserve and protect cultural heritage or religious heritage like satras, monasteries, stupas, namghas, mosques, dargah, churches, etc. The basic criteria for it is that the existence of such monuments should not be less than 75 years. This will also cover all structure and monuments other than those falling under laws made by Parliament. A state-level advisory committee will be formed for monitoring implementation of the said Act. Any violation of the provision of the Act or the rules made under it will invite imprisonment for a term of up to 3 years. The government will also set up a district heritage committee to look at the list of the tangible heritage in the state. Number 4. Question hour. The first hour of every parliamentary sitting is slotted for the question hour. During this 1 hour, MPs ask questions to ministers and hold them accountable for the functioning of the ministries. The questions can also be asked to the private members. The presiding officers of both the houses, that is both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, are the final authority with respect to the conduct of the question hour. Question hour is held in all days of the session except 2 days. That is when the president addresses both the house and when the finance minister presents the budget. Basically, there are 3 types of questions asked. 1. Start question. Number 2. Unstart question. And number 3. Short notice question. In start questions, it is distinguished by an asterisk. This requires an oral answer and hence supplementary questions can be followed. In unstarred questions, there requires a written answer and hence supplementary questions cannot follow. Short notice question is one which is asked by giving a notice of less than 10 days. It is answered orally. Number 5. 0 hour. 0 hour is not mentioned in the parliamentary rule books. It is basically an Indian parliamentary innovation. Under this, ministers can raise matters without any prior notice. The 0 hour starts immediately after the question hour and it lasts until the agenda of the day. What is agenda? Agenda is basically the regular business of the house. Number 6. Assam Rifles. Assam Rifles is one of the oldest paramilitary force of India. It was formed as a single unit called Kacha Levy in 1835 to assist the British rulers in maintaining peace in the northeast. Later on, this unit was converted into the Assam Military Police Battalion with additional battalions in 1870 and during the First World War. After World War I, the name has been renamed as Assam Rifles. It is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Home Affairs and its operation is under the control of Indian Army, that is Ministry of Defence. Assam Rifles basically defends the Indian-Myanmar border. The Assam Rifle is being headquartered at Shillong. Lapshol. Pang Lapshol is the most historically significant festivals celebrated in Sikkim. This festival is celebrated basically to pay homage to Mount Kanchenjunga, who is the guardian deity of Sikkim and is believed to have been protecting the Holy Land since ages. The festival also commemorates the historic swearing of blood brotherhood between the Lepchas and Bhutias at Kabi Longchok under the witness of Mount Kanchenjunga. An important feature of this festival is the Pangtot religious dance or the warrior dance. Number 8. Mount Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world, which is situated in the eastern Himalayas on the border between Sikkim and Nepal. This mountain is part of the Great Himalayan Range. The landscape also includes the Kanchenjunga National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also the only mixed heritage site in India. Muga silk. Muga silk is one of the GI tag products of Assam along with Karbi Anglong ginger, Tezpur lychee, Johar rice, Boka saul and Gamosa. The Muga silk is produced from Muga cocoon. As per silk researchers, the Muga cocoon wastes are collected by the scrap collectors at cheap price and supplied to Bhagalpur in Bihar, where it is refined to Bhagalpur silk, which is then used to manufacture attractive and fashionable clothes. Number 10. Global Innovation Index 2020. This index is released jointly by the World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO), Cornell University and INSEAD Business School. India has moved up 4 places to the 48th ranked among 131 countries in the Global Innovation Index 2020. Switzerland is the world's most innovative economy, followed by Sweden, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands, according to GII or Global Innovation Index 2020. Thank you for today.